Hi, I'm Damian Roy and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today we're going to work on how to play some double stops on the song Hey Joe by Jimi Hendrix, or I must say by Billy Roberts, because he's the guy who wrote the song. So, but we're going to play double stops in the style of Jimi Hendrix, of course. So Jimi Hendrix never played twice the same way the song. Everyone is focused on the recording of the year he did the album of Hey Joe, but in concert I've met some people that saw him a couple times. He never played the same way, so it's more in the way how to do some double stops over Hendrix stuff. So here we're going to work on some little parts where you have double stops in the song here, and let's start with lick number 1 right here. So here, that's at the end of the introduction. So you're going to kind of try to give a little triplet feel here. He mixes that little shuffle triplet feel with the normal rhythm here, and that's what really gives the movement of this type of song. So lick number 1, let's do it again one more time. So let's go over lick number 2. So that is over the C chord. So over the C, we have like a basic country riff here. So, but you can add on whatever you want. So, whatever notes you wanna play. So that's on the C chord position right here. Now let's move on to lick number 3. So we're on the G here. So instead of, you could play the chords the way he used to play it there. Well, you could just play here, and we're starting with a little slide here. Let's do it again. So. So that's something you could play over. All those double stop licks, I created them. They may resemble to some others, but it's just pure, each time I'm going to play, it's going to sound completely different. Let's move on to lick number 4. So that's over the D chord, when he's playing a D chord in the song. So here you're going to have to use your pinky to make this work here. And always try to let ring the double notes there. Now, let's go on the next lick here, lick 5, over the A. So here we're going to play the A here note root with my thumb, or you can play the open string, but you won't have the same sound. Little hammer here. Lick number 6. So here we're at the ending here, we're playing on the E chord. So here, what I'm doing here, I'm mixing it, and you can hear that in the recordings, he's mixing over an E major. Sometimes he's just playing the E, and we don't really know if it's major or minor. But over this E chord here, he's mixing minor pentatonic and major pentatonic over that. And that's pretty cool. So don't be scared to really strike on your strings here. Don't go gentle like this here. So now you can have fun on your Hey Joe chords here, so playing the C, G, D, A, and E. And try to make out your double stops here using some of the licks I got here. You'll have a lot of fun, and you can adapt that to all kinds of other songs here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my guitar lesson YouTube channel. I also have this lesson on my Patreon, so you can subscribe. It's very important for me. Have fun and have a good practice.